First question is, which is the fastest land animal? A. Antelope. B. Gazelle. C. Cheetah. D. Hare. The right answer is C. Cheetah. Next question is, in which animal do distinct black strips extended from the inner corners of the eye of the mouth? A. Cheetah. B. Jaguar. C. Leopard. D. Panther. The right answer is A. Cheetah. Next question is, which is the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Antarctic blue whale. C. Rhinoceros. D. Hippopotamus. The right answer is B. Antarctic blue whale. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Ostrich. B. Wandering albatross. C. Eagle. D. Pelican. The right answer is B. Wandering albatross. Which is the fastest flying bird? A. Eagle. B. Seagull. C. Kite. D. Peregrine falcon. The right answer is D. Peregrine falcon. How many types of puffins exist? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The right answer is C. 4. Next question. Which word sings, who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? A. American robin. B. Indigo bunting. C. Rufous-sided toro. D. Barred owl. The right answer is D. Barred owl. Rock dove can see how many degrees around them without turning their head? A. 100 degrees. B. 150 degrees. C. 235 degrees. D. 300 degrees. The right answer is D. 300 degrees.